If you have multiple properties that you're considering doing an estate plan for and making sure that you have them in your trust, you may have some situations where maybe you have multiple children and you need to figure out the best way to distribute those assets to your kids. One way to do it is just by saying, okay, well, this kid gets this property, this kid gets this property, this kid gets this property. While that's one way to do it, it may not be equal that they would be getting the value for what that property is. And it really depends on what your wishes are, because ultimately this is your estate plan, right? These are your wishes. So that's one way to do it. Another way that I have seen it is where families will come in and they will say, you know what, we have 3 houses, we have 3 kids, we just want all of them to be equally entitled to every 3 of the houses. So they're going to share it together. While this may seem like the easiest thing to do, it is the easiest, but it may not be the most logistical going forward, because basically what you're doing is you're saying to your kids, okay, you guys are all now in business together. You own these 3 properties together, you have to work together, and depending on the family dynamics, they may not get along the best. And putting them in this situation may just cause more issues down the road that is going to be costly to your estate or to your kids. So it's important to work with an estate planning professional to make sure that whatever those wishes are, you can care for them. That's going to be a good solution for all those involved.